Welcome to the second day of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. Fair warning, this video contains a solution to the challenge for today, so please attempt the problem before continuing on. Reference this video if you get stuck or want to see an alternative way of tackling the problem. I'll take a quick moment here to thank the team over at Lighthouse Labs for putting these challenges together. I enjoy the challenges and I have fun putting together these videos. Whether you do this professionally or as a hobby, I think having fun and enjoying your work is the key to being successful in this field. Now, on to the day 2 challenge. Okay, so on the first day, we moved in and we were signing our lease agreement. And on the second day, we are making purchases and we want to figure out the relative cost between city prices of various grocery items versus the country prices. And if we learned anything from yesterday, the key here is to reference the hints for valid methods of tackling the problem. We have the hint right here. It actually gives us a formula. It also gives us a little hint down here saying that we can use the sum function to be able to sum up all the values of a numerical list. Let's go ahead and do this and print out the sum of the city prices and the country prices. I'll use the function print to print it to the console so that we can see the result of it. And we're going to use the handy function sum that was given to us in the hint, and we'll plop it in the city price list here and run it. I'm expecting this particular error because I noticed a thing here and I wanted to point it out. If you take a look at this right here where it says in 1, this is the line that it's running, and then it goes to 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way to 9. And so because I'm referencing the city price variable ahead of the city price definition here on line number 9, that's the reason why it says right here that city price is not defined. The easy way to correct this is just to click on run program up here, which will run them in this ascending order. See, now after I clicked on run program, it renumbers them number 1, number 2, runs them in that order, and then you can see that I got a valid result. I also want the sum of the country price, so let's go ahead and do that, and we'll run this by pressing shift and enter, and so we got those two values. So now we need to plop these two values into the formula down here that is provided to us. So what we have here is the city price minus the country price, and we'll throw those into brackets just so that order of operations is maintained, and then we'll divide that by the country price. We'll hit shift enter to run it, and it seems like I have a missing bracket here, and this is our result. So let's go ahead and see if this value is one of the multiple choice answers, and we can see right here 0.2581 matches this right here just because it rounds up. Let's go ahead and select that and submit it, and there we go. The challenge is solved for the day. I hope you got some value out of this day 2 video of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. I'll be back tomorrow with another video covering the day 3 challenge. See you then.